This is Joe. He is head of maintenance in a large natural gas processing plant. Joe and his team have to monitor 250 million cubic feet of natural gas on a daily basis to minimize GLE and ensure 100% delivery. If an asset fails or a direct mount system leaks, it must be replaced immediately without losing valuable time for disassembly and assembly. After all, with every leak, no matter how small, the system operator loses money and he does not find that funny. This is not very easy and is a daily challenge for Joe's team. Now, there is finally a smart solution for Joe's daily challenges: the Schneider DirectMount System. Why, you wonder? To find out, we're tagging along with Joe to observe his day as head of maintenance. Joe gets an error message on his iPad. He sends his team to check out the affected asset. The team finds leakage points on various DirectMount systems and informs Joe. Joe orders the spare parts from the previous supplier and, for comparison, orders several Schneider DirectMount systems from the AS-Schneider group. A few days later, the postman brings the ordered DirectMount systems. Finally, Joe's team can start with the maintenance work. But first, Joe and his team are eager to compare two DirectMount systems and open the first package. Oh my gosh, so many individual components! Joe's team will again take a lot of time to disassemble and assemble the components. The plant operator will not like that at all, because he will lose a lot of money again. Now Joe opens the package from AS-Schneider. Wow, only 2 components. Joe decides to test the Schneider DirectMount systems in the plant. Wow, the assembly was incredibly fast and easy. Joe's team was able to save a lot of time and money. Joe's boss was happy about that too. Schneider DirectMount systems are easy to install and available in both vertical and horizontal to vertical installations. SDMS reduces installation cost. Joe has no need to manufacture and install tube runs, fittings, and expensive pipe stands. SDMS reduces potential leak points associated with NPT connections. SDMS provides a safe, compact leak-free measurement installation. Internal porting promotes self-draining of condensants and liquid to reduce freezing issues. Also good to know, the SDMS design standards meets the recommendations of American Petroleum Institute, API, Gas Processors Association, GPA, American Gas Association, AGA, U.S. Department of Interior, Bureau of Land Management. Joe and his team are smart. From now on, they will only use Schneider DirectMount systems in their plant. The enormous time they saved, minimized gauge line errors, and significant cost reduction have convinced them.